and welcome back to the channel. This is Shweta और आज मैं आई हूँ मुंबई में. So Castrol is presenting India's ultimate Motostar along with MTV, and this is actually a very huge thing. So I'm here to cover this event and I'm going to talk more about it. We'll speak to participants, we'll speak to the trainers as well as the organizers to know about India's ultimate Motostar.
Hello, what's up?
So he's also, you're participating, right?
Yeah,
So,
finally got a chance after taking a huge risk of coming from Goa to Bombay.
so your training session is at what time?
Second batch.
Second batch. Okay. So you're excited.
सिलेक्शन हुआ है तो अभी परफॉर्मेंस तो बनता है उतना.
What do you expect from this event overall?
Knowledge and basically कैसे street पे करने से like from even I do stunting and all, not
Yeah.
major but a bit, but private sport, and this type of sports are meant for these things
Yes,
should be done,
yes.
not on the road.
Okay, then all the best. See
Yeah.
you on the track.
Done.
Yes. So this is the entire track where they are going to practice, and then time attack is going to happen. There are the bikes, and that is the start line. After the registration is done, all the races are gathered here to collect their suit, helmets, and there they are. After that, they will be having a training session, then practice, and this will go for 3 sessions. And later than that, there will be a time attack. The best part is that they are providing everything, and I am so impressed with it because getting entire riding kit and then getting training and going on the track is something which is very good. So all the races are very excited. So this is the classroom. So the entire format of this audition is like there are 2 batches. In each batch there will be 3 training sessions. So training, then practice, training, practice like this, and then time attack, where the winners will be selected for next round. So first round up ho gaya hai, and I'm in the training room. So here Rajni as well as other mentors are training all the racers, and I'm so happy to see the numbers which has turned around. So there's one commendable thing that Castrol Power One is supporting motorsports in India, and not just women in motorsport but as well as others. And this India's Ultimate Motostar is definitely going to be a game changer for many racers, because racing is something which it's an aspirational thing, and because of India's Ultimate Motostar definitely ये अभी बहुत सारे लोग participate कर रहे हैं, and there are so many people I'm seeing here who are just riders and who are coming here, and I was talking to a few of them where they were like कि उन्हें बहुत कुछ सीखने मिला, because classroom training definitely helps when you are on the track. So now let's go and see how people are performing on the track, and then there will be time attack.
आप इससे भी हो एक्सपीरियंस राइडर हो या न्यूकमर हो, कोई अलग नहीं है, सब लोग एक ही.
So here are the races and they are doing really excellent. So after training session, every lap, whatever they are taking, there is an improvement. At the last, there will be time attack, and I am eagerly waiting for that. So we'll be talking with other racers, and we'll definitely talk with Rajni as well to understand about this entire sections which they have created. So races are ready for time attack, one person at a time. Hi Rajni.
Hi.
Welcome to Mumbai.
Yeah,
And
thank
after
you.
Chennai auditions here in Mumbai, and I just wanted to know how was your experience today with all the crowd we had?
Yeah, good experience with Chennai to here. Especially our goal, India's ultimate motorstar. Especially this event, Castrol Power One present India's ultimate motorstar on MTV. This is a good opportunity for all the youngsters and going to training.
aspiring
Yeah,
to be
aspiring
a
and
racer,
going
yeah.
to racing also. No, that is a big event doing with Castrol. I'm very happy with the work with the Castrol. Especially our goal is you will ultimate rider will bring to send it to an Europe. That's a goal.
Yes.
Yeah.
So today, like you took 3 sessions per batch. There were 3 sessions. Do you feel the difference, like after every session, how people were improving? Like how was
Yeah,
the
100%. No, there are like 3 drills. No,
Yeah.
you will give you 3 drills on the classroom. Then same thing you can do to in the
Practically,
practical also.
yeah.
There are a lot of the people you can say they can ask for students is very happy because some people zero knowledge is coming to learn that is at the end of the day is going very happy. That is our main goal to
Yes.
do for you can say like yeah, this ultimate show is going for good. No.
And when we see like Castrol Power One is doing something like this for riding community or for aspiring racers, what do you think about that? Because this is something very unique which is happening in India.
Yeah, this is the first time doing for the such a big event. This is a good opportunity for all youngsters and even biking community. Okay,
Yes.
this is our plan to run this year. Maybe this won't go good. You will work next year also.
Yes.
More city,
seasons
yeah,
and
more season, more city also.
Yes.
That is our plan.
So we have Sufyan and Pranesh, and they had their first experience on the track. So let's talk about what was their experience. So hi, and can you tell something about what you were riding before coming to this track? Yeah.
Okay, so I ride an Adventure 390 and I usually go off-roads and touring as well.
Lovely. And what about you?
Yeah, so actually I own a naked bike.
Okay.
And mostly like I had my interests into fair bikes, basically super sport bikes, which we rode right here. And this was my first track experience, to be honest. And honestly, it was just amazing.
So I want to
trainers-
talk about the format because you had training
Exactly.
sessions and then practice. So what do you feel about it? Like what was the gaining point which you
So
like?
I would say that the sessions that were planned, 1, 2 and 3, they were planned well in order.
And now I also want to know that Castrol Power One presents India's ultimate Motostar on MTV. So how excited you were when this was announced, and how it what was your excitement?
So the first thought that came to my mind was, okay, this is something new and I should really try it out. And कुछ ना कुछ तो सीखने मिलेगा ही.
Yes,
And the
Zarur.
important thing is that Castrol provided such a platform for youngsters to get into MotoGP.
So hi Ria, I just wanted to know like this about this entire event. How was the flow and what was your experience?
Okay, so we started ekdam midday and it was really hot. So 2 p.m. anyways, it's 35-40 degree plus you're wearing the
Yeah.
leather suit. So more than endurance, it's about the mindset. Ki how much can you control your mind? Ki nahi lag rahi hai ghar mein. And then of course perform on the bike. And the flow of the event was really good. We had amazing theory sessions which I applied on the track. And of course the race spec bike was there, so it supported all of that. Plus for women I feel it's a really good initiative because not many women come out and do this, right? Even if they want to, there's no platform.
Right.
So with this platform and its amazing promotion, I think it reached a lot of people and they were able to take this chance and come forward.
Hi Isha, I hope you had a wonderful experience today. And I wanted to know a few things like how was your total entire day? Like how was the spread for you?
I literally came here to learn new experiences and about the track racing, so I could enter it in future.
Yes.
Yeah,
So when you talk about learnings, and because here they had some wonderful 3 sessions, they had sessions
Yeah,
and practice. So what were your learnings which you're taking away from here?
So I have a biggest fear of cornering and leaning bike more. So that is the fear I have overcome today. Not completely, but yeah.
At least it is starting
yeah,
to
it
fade
started
away.
towards on a constructive way.
So now can you say that you will be handling your bike in a much better way than before after this entire this session?
Obviously yes, because I've learned how to corner on the cornering, right? So I've learned leaning the bike more accurately and cornering obviously. So that was the biggest fear I had, but now I'm overcoming it.
And I want like one word from you for Castrol Power One presents India's ultimate Motostar on MTV. So how can you define it in a one word?
Mind blowing.
So Castrol presents India's ultimate Motostar on MTV, and its Mumbai audition is over now, right now. There were people who came with so much excitement and have left with happy faces. We have spoken to many people, many riders, and they had a wonderful experience here. I'm really happy to see this entire day because there were training sessions, then practice session, and further to that, there was hope that everyone can be a racer. And there will be results out very soon. I hope you must have loved this video. So if you have seen this video, then do comment, and if you were here, then leave a comment for me. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you in the next video very soon.